Now I would like to share you a recipe of veg Manchurian. The ingredients required: grated cabbage, maida, corn flour, red chili powder, garam masala, garlic ginger paste and salt. To make Manchurian sauce, the ingredients are chopped onions, chopped green chilies and chopped garlic. And sauces required are soya sauce, red chili sauce and tomato ketchup. Now to make Manchurian balls, I am going to mix all these ingredients to this grated cabbage. Now I am adding maida and corn flour and red chili powder, garam masala and garlic ginger paste and salt. I am gonna make it dough mixing uniformly. Now dough is ready. I am making it into balls. These balls should not be too big or too small. It should be medium size. Now balls are ready. I am going to deep fry this. Now I fried the balls to golden brown color. Now I am going to make a Manchurian sauce. So first I am adding oil and onions and garlic and green chilies. Now saute them well. Now these onions turn reddish brown. Now I am adding soya sauce and red chili sauce and fried balls well. Now veg Manchurian is ready. I have garnished with coriander leaves. Yes, it's so yummy. You can also try it. Thank you.